So hello guys, welcome back to Chess with Ayush, and guys, today I will be playing two chess variants with my brother. He's also a really strong player actually. I would rather say that he is stronger than me, a bit stronger. When we usually play, we sometimes tie and sometimes he wins, sometimes I. So it would be a good game, and the first variant we are going to play is Chess 960. So guys, in this variant, all the pieces, as I told you in my how to play chess video, you know now how the chess pieces are arranged. So in this video, the in this variant of chess, the all the pieces are arranged randomly on the chessboard, so it's really interesting to see. So now I am sending him a challenge. We will be playing a 10-minute game, chess 960. So guys, yes, the game has started. He is playing with the white pieces, and now you can see all the pieces how they are arranged, and the player who will checkmate the other king will win. He has started with a d4. I will play a d5. Actually, this is my first video on which I am commentating on the game live. So he plays pawn to f3. I will develop my knight to e6. Actually, you can never know which piece comes from where in this mode, so I have to be really careful. So he has a nice center right now. I am only playing with my knight. That is not really good for me. And he protects his e4 pawn by playing pawn to g3, and his queen is now watching to that pawn, while my queen is still inside. He developed his knight. I also developed my knight by playing knight to b6. He has played knight to d3. Now it's his move, and he has played knight to d2. And now for getting some space, I will play pawn to e5, so that if he captures, I can take back, and I will finally have some center. Now we are just exchanging some pawns here and there. What should I play? Actually, his dark squared bishop has now got a really good square, and now I have to do something. The d4 square is really nice for him, and okay, he makes a trade. Oh, see, guys, I never saw this coming, and you can now see. Actually, this might be a blunder. Actually, oh, this can be a blunder. Let's see. Takes, takes. Guys, I can't really analyze that the game really well, so I hope you are understanding it. So now I have to bring some defense, so I will play this move. Oh, first of all, I have to play this so that I can stop his pawn from coming in. Okay, this is a really nice move. Actually, he has a really nice attack, and I can't really say how much I will survive in this game. He has a really nice position, actually, but if you right now see, the sacrifice he made has now paid off, but I have somehow managed to keep the control on the game. Now I will try to break the chain of his queen and the bishop, which are really strong, looking really strong here. Oh, I missed a move actually. I had a move in the last move which could have given me a bit of advantage. But now, as you can see, his light squared bishop is really strong while my is not. So I will try to exchange it. He denies the exchange, so I will try it again. Okay, it's a bit repetition, but what do we want to say about this move? And now his bishop is trapped. He should have definitely exchanged this, because getting a bishop trapped is never good, and exchanging is better, obviously. Now he's thinking. He's right now sitting in front of me and just thinking. Oh, sometimes when you make some moves to just to confuse the opponent, Like he's just two pieces down, just trying to confuse me. Actually, that piece was also free. I could have taken it also. Oh, actually, I could have taken that first because bishop was trapped anyways. So this was a mistake by me also, but oh, okay. So now I will give a check. Bishop g5. Actually, now I can speak something because earlier I was just in so much attack, I couldn't speak that much. So right now you can see my position is really nice for me. I will try to exchange this also, my rook, and he has to actually exchange it because his rook cannot go anywhere, and then guys his king would just be all in open alone, fighting for his life. Let's see how long this would survive. Oh, okay. That was a free knight. Oh no, I missed it. Guys, see, this is a beautiful move by me. Now he has to move his knight. Let's see where he goes. Fell into my trap. Oh, not really. Actually, he can bring in his pawn. I didn't saw that. I thought he fell into my trap. Now it's mate in some time. He will just get mated and he might even resign. Beautiful checkmate. Two bishops just laser beaming hold the board, and he is now just laughing laughter of sadness, and it is the first game ended. I won the first game, and next game is going to be Fog of War, so it might take us some time because we will be playing it online. So I will meet you after a short break. So guys, now we are playing Fog of War. So guys, for those who don't know this, in this we cannot see the opponent's pieces, and in this game we have to just checkmate the opponent randomly. We can only see the piece if it's in a line of some of our piece only. We cannot see it otherwise. So right now I cannot not see any of his piece because his none of pieces are under in my pieces line of attack. So I can only see them when they are in line of attack. So let's see how it goes. In this also in this actually like in other games we can see that if the opponent has given us a check, but in this like see I can now see his pawn because it's in the line of my knight's vision. And guys, like in other games we can see whenever it's a check to us because it produces some noise or we can just see it on the board. But guys, in this there is no check system. We have to just protect our king, and if it's in the line of vision of the opponent, we will not to get to know about it. And in the next move, if we do not move our king, he can just simply take it, and as our king is dead, we will just lose the game. So the main motive is to protect our king and not to lose any pieces. So right now I'm playing really carefully and just keeping all the pieces together. Right now I can see only two of his pawns, as I told you, because only two of his pawns are in the vision of my pieces. So let's see how it goes. So as you can see, some of his squares are really dark. So in by that they tell us that there's something on that square. So as he take, I take, and now I take back. He takes it back. So now I don't know what piece he has taken. I hope it's a queen only. I know it's a queen. Yes, it's a queen only. And but now I cannot see it because it's not in the line of vision of any of my pieces. Earlier it was in the line of vision. Oh no, his queen was there. Did you see that? For one moment I could see his queen, and but it vanished because he took my piece and it was not in the line of vision. So now we are just playing. We exchange some of the pieces. Okay, now I can see. Oh no, he blundered a rook. Oh no, he blundered a rook, and oh, this can be a mistake by me because now my pieces are a bit open, and let's see how it goes. Actually, if you right now see, I can in the right side I can see that what pieces he has taken. So he has taken two bishops of mine, so I have no bishops, one knight and two pawn, while I have taken one bishop, one knight, two pawns, and one rook. So I'm right now an exchange. Oh no, I'm right now a full. I'm rook for a bishop, so that's really good for me. So let's see. Let's get our king into safety. Actually, I'm really afraid because I don't know where all the pieces of his are, because right now I can see none of his pieces and I just don't know. Oh, this is a blunder for sure. I'm sure he doesn't have enough. Oh, big blunder from him. I know he has taken it back, but now he cannot take it again. I'm really, really sure about that. And I have just won another exchange, and I am an exchange up. I couldn't believe I might beat him in both the variants. He's really good at chess, but I think I got it today. And you can see the sounds. I think his pawns are marching now. For sure, his pawns are definitely here, and but I don't think I should move any of my pawns. They are looking all right. I should move here. Oh, nothing there also. What about this file? Okay, something is there. See, one of his pawn came in and now I can see it. Oh, he takes. His white bishop is looking really strong, so I should take it. Yes, I knew that it would be protected, but it was looking really solid, so I took it. Oh, I can't say if he has just said yes and his pawn is here. I don't know if I should take it. So, guys, the threat right now for me is if I take it, I don't know about his other rook. As I told you, I have taken one of his rook. Or both rook. Oh, both rooks I have taken. No, I am just taking it. I don't care. I think it's just a free pawn. Yes. It's a free pawn. My worry was that his bishop might be there because I have taken his rook might be there, but I just remembered that I have taken both of his rooks and it's all good for me. Oh, and see, I see his king trying to enter in my territory, huh? Game over, guys. I just took his king and won again. So, guys, do you want to see a rematch? Want to see a rematch in Fog of War? Okay, let's play again. So now we are playing a rematch. Oh, let's play a rematch against him. Sorry, I've been paired by some wrong person. So I will now challenge him in a rematch. Sorry guys, there would be a small cut, but after the cut I will talk to you. So guys, the second game has started. I have got the black pieces again, and now my rating has also increased. Actually, guys, he's really strong in Fog of War. I didn't wanted a rematch, but I think we should give him a rematch because I don't think he has shown his best strength right now. So I hope you have now understood the rules of the game. Actually, they were really simple, and now we will play another game. So my strategy will be just the same. See, I made a nice pattern on the board. So my strategy will be just the same. Just trying to keep my king safe. Why can't I castle? Why can't I castle? What is happening? Now it's a bit of trouble for me because due to some glitch or something in the website, I cannot castle on the short hand. So, oh no, I shouldn't have said this in front of him. He's sitting right here. So let's see. Actually, I'm not seeing any of his pieces right now. I hope they are not attacking anything. He's not attacking anything. They have not made any exchange right now till now. So all the pieces are on the board. Okay, I finally see one of his pawn. I think I'm doing all right. My all the pieces are there and they are just together and nothing is in trouble. I think we are in control till now. Last game I won in a big margin. Okay, takes back. So we have just exchanged our light squared bishop, which is a really nice thing. In the last game also his light squared bishop caused me some trouble. And in the chess 960 game also his light squared bishop caused me a little bit of trouble. So I think it's really nice that I finally got his light squared bishop. Not finally, I mean, I got it. Oh, this is a blunder. He just blundered a knight. Okay, let's see. Now I can see 2 3 of his pieces again, as you can see on the screen. I can see that only. Oh, he moved his bishop and didn't took, rather He allowed me to take another pawn. What's his strategy right now? He's not taking anything. My king is getting a bit unsafe. I should get more pieces for it. He gives me another pawn. I hope it's not a trap. So, guys, do you think I should take this pawn on f5 also? Do you think I should? Because it's really nice pawn, and no, I should rather block it. I should block it from coming in, and I would take it later. So you can see this sound. So whenever this sound comes, that means that he has made a move. Okay. So guys, what about this? He's really quiet because he knows that he can see my king. But I won't let him see it anymore. Okay, he takes back with the rook. Okay, that's a nice strategy there. What should we do? Should we take this? Oh no, this can be big problem for me. Should we? Okay. Oh no. Oh, but I can now see many of his pieces. That's really good. And let's see what with what. Oh. Okay. 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 Oh, I see you. Oh my god. I could have taken it in the last move, but better late than never. And game over, guys. This was Ayush. We played the variants. We had a lot of fun, and I am Ayush signing off.